Okay, so here we are, final update. The only thing we have left to do now is load the trailer and head out for Road America. We need to leave Wednesday. Max and I are going to load the trailer up Wednesday morning. It's only a 7-hour drive for us, super short. There's a nice Hampton Inn that we like to stay at, about a half an hour south of the racetrack. Going to stay there, get a little workout in, get a little dinner at the brewery next door, and then go Thursday for moving day, get everything all set up. Over the weekend, I packed the trailer bearings. There's a short little video that Max took with his phone. He's going to give it to Clark. Clark's going to mix that into this. That is the filthiest, shittiest job ever, right? You go through almost a whole roll of those blue rags while you're doing it. It's a gigantic mess. But in that video, we're going to show you why you have to do that. And the irony of that is, like, I get home, whatever, fucking scrolling through Facebook, maybe on the crapper, I don't know. And I see a video of another racer that was heading to go race with Weira, and they burnt up their trailer axle. And that's why you have to do that. If you do not maintain those bearings at least once a year, right? Once a year is fine. If you replace the seals and grease them, you can run into an issue where you're broken down. And when you lose your trailer, you lose your weekend. Okay, so the bike's 100%. This thing is race ready. Got a brand new clutch in it. I put a new hub in the clutch. It had a little bit of wear in it. We've replaced the engine ice with distilled water. That's part of the MotoAmerica regulation. You can only use water for coolant, so I went ahead and flushed that thing out a couple of times. Did that. Brakes are all bled, new brake pads, scrubbed the calipers. We've got our new chain and sprockets installed. We showed you guys that brand new Vortex Rivet Link tool, man. That thing's amazing. Highly recommend getting that if you're running the EK chains. Generator, I had to fix this thing too. The battery died, so I put a new battery in that, and we're 100%. Went through all the spares. We are locked and loaded, ready for Road America. We'll give you some updates as the weekend unfolds. Thanks for watching.